Hi guys, today I will be unboxing. I got two sweet twins, well they're kind of like twins, but I got two Cabbage Patch baby dolls, and they are Enchanted Forest friends. I really wanted these ones for Christmas, and I'm opening up only one early Christmas present from my grandmother. She allowed me to open it if I wanted to, so I wanted to open it right now. And Christmas is in like 2 more days, so yeah. So here's what they come with, the little flyer. They come with these plastic things on their hands. Poor baby's hands, let's get them all out. So she is really cute. I'm so glad I could get these for Christmas. I also got gum. So yeah. They smell really good. And I love the brown-haired skin one. I love them so much. So, for name suggestions, I think I'm gonna name this one Violet. I love the name Violet on her because she is purple, and I feel like she would just look like a violet. She's so, I don't know. I just like the name Violet on her. She's so cute. She has a purple nose. She doesn't have a colorful nose, but that's okay. And I absolutely love this one. It's a cute little owl. It's like tie-dyed rainbow. There's the yellow beak. And she has purple eyes. They both have purple eyes. She's the brown-haired, skin-colored baby girl. And I'm gonna name her Ava. I love the name Ava. And there's Arthur. And Paige and the others are in the bag. Can you say hi, Arthur? Now you have two other new sisters. Hi. So yeah. So this one is gonna be Ava. The reason I think she should be Ava is just her smile, her face. She's so cute. She would be a really good Ava. Easter, her name is actually Easter Owl, but I want to name her Ava. I can name her Ava. And I just noticed she had pink glittery duck, or like feet. Glittery owl feet. And her tail. Does she have a tail? No, she doesn't have a tail. But this one has a tail. She's a raccoon. A baby raccoon. Aw. She's like a Supergirl raccoon. I actually love these dolls. These are so cute. The Cabbage Patch Kids. I'm like in love with these ones. But Paige is always gonna be one of my favorites. So if you're here watching me say this, Paige, then you're in luck, and I love you so much. Because she's just the gorgeous than ever. Like, look at that face. And yeah, I almost love all dolls. And please don't make fun of me, God. So yeah, I really love the Cabbage Patch dolls, and I actually like the Forest Friends. I think I might get one next year for my birthday. Cabbage Patch logo. That's funny. There's actually a Cabbage Patch baby's face on a real cabbage vegetable. Cool. And yeah, guys, this has been a really fun video. And if you guys go check out on Google the Snack Time Cabbage Patch Kid version. Like, the baby will like pull your hair, and like, it got banned, but yeah. So, if you like this video, I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up for my new Cabbage Patch baby girls. So I'm gonna name them both Violet and Ava. Perfect names. They both match really good, that I personally think. So bye guys, give this video a big thumbs up, share, like this video, and subscribe, and share with your friend. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.